So I have here my Typhoon 4K Q500 drone. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this right here. Cool little case. Has whatever it has inside the box here, all the contents. Quick start guide, which I'm not gonna need. User manual, which I'm not gonna need. Please do not return your item to the retail. Okay. Other propaganda here. Okay, cool. This is like a guide of what the lights are, I guess I would say, on the drone itself. Okay, good to have that. So it looks like it comes with eight wings or rotor propellers, whatever you want to call it. And then in here is the accessories of the drone. SD cards in there. I think it's a 16 gig. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this off, and there it is. There is the Q500 Typhoon drone 4K right there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Comes with 2 batteries. Legit. 2 batteries. Alright, so this is the drone here that I'm gonna build. But we're gonna do a quick transition over, so we don't waste all this video time on here. So there it is. And we're gonna go eat dinner.
Are we?
Yeah. We just dropped off the baby at the sitter. Thank you, Veronica.
Our friend, the sitter.
Our babysitter. Our friend, the babysitter, Veronica. Her aunt. The aunt, Veronica. Yeah, so we're here, Clarksville, staying local for dinner. Yellowtail. Robata bread.
Thank you.
It's pretty cool here. I like it. So this is our food. Sushi. We're gonna eat some sushi. Look at this. Instagrammer, Snapchatter. Their food. Yeah, if you don't take a picture, it's not gonna taste good. So another birthday dessert. Look at that. Look at that. So we destroyed this. Pretty cool. Pretty delicious. It was. Yum yum sauce, can never go wrong with it. We had all kinds of rolls destroyed completely. Happy birthday. Coming to Krispy Kreme. We were gonna go to a movie, but we got our food late, so where are we gonna make it? So we're gonna get some donuts as a dessert. Alright, so these donuts, the Nutella donuts, blueberry and Valentine's Day limited edition.
And I got a hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Why do you laugh?
Hey! 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 Turn up. Turn up.